It's a 2011 Chrysler Town & Country. Make the most of every trip with the versatility and efficiency of the world's most trusted minivan, the Chrysler Town & Country. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, entertainment system with DVD and digital media, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and multi-speed automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports the Town & Country is a great vehicle for families that need to haul kids and cargo on a regular basis. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.